there! Today, I'm diving into a topic that impacts millions of people around the world: asthma. Now, if you're wondering, can I control my asthma? The answer is absolutely. Let's break down some expert advice to help you breathe easier. First things first. Understanding your triggers is crucial. Common culprits include pollen, dust mites, pet dander, and even stress. Identifying what sets off your asthma can help you avoid those triggers and reduce flare-ups. Next up, your medication plan. There are two main types of asthma medications: quick relief and long-term control. Quick relief inhalers like albuterol are your go-to during an asthma attack. Long-term control medications such as inhaled corticosteroids help keep your asthma in check on a daily basis. It's essential to use these medications exactly as prescribed by your doctor. Speaking of doctors, regular checkups are a must. Your asthma can change over time, so frequent visits to your healthcare provider ensure your treatment plan is still effective. They may adjust your medications or suggest new strategies to manage your symptoms. Now let's talk about lifestyle changes. Maintaining a healthy weight, exercising regularly, and managing stress can all make a big difference in your asthma control. But remember to exercise in a way that's right for you. Some individuals might need to take their quick relief inhaler before physical activity. Keeping your home environment asthma-friendly is another key step. Use allergen-proof pillowcases and covers, wash bedding regularly, and avoid smoking or exposure to secondhand smoke. These small changes can significantly improve your quality of life. Don't forget about your action plan. Work with your doctor to create an asthma action plan that outlines what to do during an asthma attack. This plan should include when to take your medications, when to seek medical help, and emergency contact information. Keep this plan handy and share it with family members or close friends. Finally, stay informed and connected. Joining an asthma support group or online community can provide valuable tips and emotional support. Knowledge is power, and sharing experiences can be incredibly empowering. So can you control your asthma? With the right strategies, medications, and support, absolutely. Take charge of your asthma and breathe easier. Thanks for watching.